All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's prepositions. So after, a time after something, something something that came first. Yes. So, or something that came after, second to something. After this lesson, I will record another. After the gym, I go home. Yeah, gym, and after the gym, I go home. After I have climbed, say, Snowdonia, I will climb Ben Nevis. Yeah. Oops. Climb. Yeah. So I will take a break after this. Yeah, take a break after this video. I should speak to them after this. Yeah. They will read after seeing you. So it will be open after the meeting. Yeah. We will go there after eating. We will go there after eating. Yeah. I need to go there after our meeting, after our talk. After the appointment, I will go for dinner. Yeah. How cool is that? They will talk to me after talking with them. Yeah. She has to be here after 2 p.m. He wants to go there after Gibraltar. Yeah. How cool is that? He went with them after. So he went with them after the meeting, perhaps. I spoke with them after. So after anything, after our call. Yeah. Call. After this lesson, I will record another one. I'm going to go there after. Yeah. I need to go there after seeing you. Yeah. After John O'Groats, I will travel to Edinburgh. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. She thinks he will say it after the meeting. Now, they want me to give a speech after getting the award. Yeah, they want me to give a speech after the award. Makes sense. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So after, something happened first and then something happened after. What will happen after we go home? Yeah. What will happen after? What will happen after? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use after in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on Udemy, or find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.